Hello again. Welcome to week 13 of the JG Better For Me challenge. We're using the Jamaican Proverbs Journal and we are going to get right into this week's proverb. It says, Howdy and tenki no bruk no square. It does not harm to show good manners to people. This week's activity says 3 times bad manners affected you negatively. Do you have a friend who has bad manners? How did this make you feel when the 3 times you were affected by, it affected you negatively? What have you done to change? What did you learn? What would you do differently? And it asks you to rate your bad manners. And you're going to be honest here because, a lot of us have really bad manners. You need to be truthful, okay? The activity or the habit that you're going to be practicing this week is to practice good manners. And you are going to list why is it important, your strengths, your weaknesses, and your reward. Until next time, see you then.